Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll explain you how to fix Find My iPhone not working on your iPhone 17 Air. If Find My iPhone is not showing your device or is not working properly, do not panic. There are several reliable steps to fix it on your iPhone 17 Air. So the first thing that I would start with is I would check my internet connection, because Find My iPhone requires Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you have to make sure that your iPhone is connected to stable internet connection. And to do that, in order to check that, you have to go to some kind of website or any other application that requires internet connection and see if your network is stable and if it's working in general. Then the next step, let's go to settings back, and at the very top of your screen you should see your Apple ID information. So go to your Apple ID account and open section Find My and go to Find My iPhone feature, and please make sure that this option Find My iPhone is turned on. And let's go back and find option Share My Location, and you can also enable that if you want family and friends to see your device. Okay, let's go back to settings, and you have to scroll down and enter section with date and time, and please make sure that set automatically is on, because incorrect date and time can prevent Find My iPhone feature from working. Okay, so let's again go back and make sure that you're signed in to your iCloud, basically to your Apple ID. So here at the top, make sure that your iCloud is active. You should see your Gmail address and also some information about your Apple ID account. That's your name and your picture. And if you're not signed in, you have to do that, because that's essential. Also, you can try updating your iOS. So go to General and open section Software Update and check any available iOS versions. And if you have available ones, you have to install that and in order to update your iOS version, because often new updates can fix some small bugs that can affect this Find My iPhone feature. And I think after completing all of those steps, your Find My iPhone feature should work now. And if not, you can contact Apple support and they may help you with your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.